It's my spliff. No, isn't it?
Yeah, big spliff.
Alright lads, in this video I'm going to be fixing one of two oil leaks I got on my car. And this one in particular is causing my engine bay to smoke. Scary stuff. Let's see if we can fix it. Well, that's not the only problem. Oh man, that's not the only problem. Right. Car. Something about cars and something about cars. Just woke up. I was gonna go work on the transmission. Because that's a problem now. And a whole another problem come up now. Now the engine's smoking. Took the hood off and look at that. See, cars are full of shit. Anyway, I went to go look at it, give it a good look and see what the problem is. There's oil everywhere, man. I thought it was fuel, I got an injector leak. You're gonna see what it is anyway, it's not an injector leak. I mean, something like that. This is where the thing's leaking from. All the oil's leaked into the second colour pack, so I just gotta get that off. I was a bit worried about getting oil into the spark plug, so I used a stick like a monkey. Yeah, I'm trying to soak it up as best I can. But then I realised I bought something that might just help me out in this situation. Would you look at that? Working perfectly, yum man. So I've managed to suck up a lot of the oil with that. And now I take the coil pack out so I can see in. I've never really looked in them before. I haven't done that much in car before, so we'll see. Here's a close-up. All this is just flooded with oil. And then just smoke everywhere. And you know, luckily it was just this, not something else. But you see this right here, it's leaking because of one stupid little issue. So I took the coil pack out and it's all clear now. The thing looks fine, all in working order, I guess. Just up to its neck in oil, which apparently is okay, car can handle it, so I'll just give it a wipe down. It's I mean, it was driving like this for I don't know how long, slowly leaking oil. But I mean, the car can handle it, But I'm gonna have to check the others now, because I don't know if that's the only one. Don't want oil in there, because that's what's making the engine smoke. Hello.
Was it oil then?
It was oil from the camshaft sensor. Because this could have been happening from a long time.
Well, that could have been there from a long time, yeah. Yeah, I've just noticed it now, yeah.
Yeah, so
somebody else could have.
Nah, that was me. That was because I changed this because that was a malfunction.
And does oil come from that?
Yeah, well, that's the camshaft right there.
That's where.
That, you know, so oil come up here.
Wow, that's the problem then.
So I may not have tightened it enough.
No,
is what I'm
didn't.
saying, or maybe it's worn a bit over time. But it wasn't time. It was something else completely. One small mistake that changed everything. Something so small yet so crucial. You'll find out soon. Oh, you are brittle as fuck. Just get out. Just get out, man. Ooh. I end up having to take out the other core packs out because I don't know if they're clean or not. And yeah, look. So they weren't clean. They weren't clean at all, they're dirty, man. And they got all that shit in them, so I gotta clean all that out and the oil. By the way, I don't know what I'm doing, you know. I hope this one isn't flooded as well. Fucking is, man. Good thing I checked. Oh, I don't like the colour of that. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Oh my god. Fucking water in there. I'm just gonna have to take them all out, aren't I? Took me so long with that one. I don't know how long that's been happening. It couldn't have been too long because, you know what I mean? Couldn't have been too long, but I've been driving it a while since the first video. Drove it like a couple hundred miles on the motorway and back. So this could have been happening from when I first fucked about with the sensor. But it turns out the sensor didn't even work. A lot of fear in your heart. Okay. It's not full of the oil pump. It's cylinder 1, it's full of all that shit. Oh, fucking hell, let me see cylinder 3 is worse. 3, 4, 1. Round 2. Oh. Round 3. While we're cleaning out all this, let's give a shout out to today's sponsor, Skitz YouTube. Yeah, it's just me. Subscribe, man. Give me a like. And now give me some advice. Give me some advice. That's my spliff. No, isn't it?
Yeah, big spliff.
You know what? I'm not gonna clean the conductors. I'll probably fuck it up, and it's already okay. Right, it looks much better, doesn't it? Much cleaner. Let's get one. Oh, why is it so boingy, man? It's got a spring, isn't it? Make you feel like something different. I might need that. You know what I mean? She'll wipe your eye with oil. Now everything put back together, everything's cleaned out, fully reforged, I guess. Now I can start her up. Did you hear that? That's the car not starting. Oh, fuck me. The only thing going through my head right now is, what have I done? Did I do wrong? Did I misplace something, or I don't know. So after sitting a while I thought, it must be the battery. Can't be the core packs. I've plugged everything fine. Oh, it's the battery. The thing's not even tight, it flew off, twat. So, they're tightening it now, and let's see if this fixes it. Boy, I don't know the relief I just felt hearing all that load up. That's what nonsense is this? Oh, it's gone? What? It's gone? That's like a proper computer. I don't know if any of these sounds are bad. I don't know. Right, let's start her up. Moment of truth, lads. Will she start? And if she starts, will she start okay? Yes, no? I'll take that as a no then. Something ain't right. Not good at all. Man like Dora Can you spot the fault? No, it's not this, but I finally realised what happened and why it's been sputting all over the place. If you ever look at this and ever look at the other one, what doesn't it have? An O-ring. So when I replaced the sensor in the other video, I've replaced the wrong sensor. There's two sensors, position 1 and position 2, and I put number 1 in as 2. So I changed it back because the car wouldn't start, it would crank and not start. And I put the old part back and it worked just fine. But when I did that, I must have not replaced the O-ring, which is why it's sputting oil all over the place. But that's another video. For now, we're just fixing this leak and cleaning up all the shit off the block. Remember when the car wasn't running right? Yeah, one of the coil pack cables weren't plugged in properly. My girlfriend pointed it out, fortunately. I thought I broke something. I don't see any smoke, do you? I'm not giving up. Determination, you know that Undertale song? You know, man. But I managed to actually fix the car. There's still a problem though, the idle goes, it revs up. I think that is the cam. I don't need another camshaft sensor because the new one I bought wasn't OEM. It was OEM. It was just the wrong position. I'm gonna buy an actual OEM one. See how that goes because I've put the old one back in because the new one wasn't really working, but the old one is working okay. And the part I ended up getting was just a new position 2 sensor. And all along I was trying to replace 2 with 1. All unnecessary. And because of that, all this happened. But take it as an experience, because I learned a lot today. Just needed a gasket. The whole thing was just a gasket. The O-seal. O-ring. All because of an O-ring, so... Yeah, that's... good thing I had one on the other part. Just thought of it because I'm looking at the part and I was thinking that one doesn't have a ring. Where'd it go? I don't know. Maybe it dropped in the cam shaft itself and deteriorated. Yeah. Clean car. Let's clean the car. Think you know what we're doing in the next episode? We're gonna clean this dirty old, happy-faced, slimy, grimy bit